What's going on, nation? The purpose of this video is to show you guys how to add people to your inspirations list. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, your inspirations list is located underneath your badge. And if at any point in time you forget how to add people to your inspirations list, you can click on the question mark bubble over here. Now, there's a few different ways you can add people to your inspirations list. And you can add people that are your friends or not your friends. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to Find Friends and then search for someone who you want to add. Once you find their profile, you're going to view their profile, and then you can utilize the plus and minus symbols down here to add people to your inspirations list or to remove them. So I'm going to add Mervin right now. He's one of our super Hermanites. Now, if at any point in time I wanted to remove Mervin, all I have to do is hit the negative sign right here. Let's go back to our profile. Another way you can add people to your inspirations list is if you already know what their username is. And to do this, you're going to click on the plus minus sign, and then you're going to type the username in this box. As soon as the user pops up, once again, push the plus sign to add, push the negative sign to remove. If you'd like to simply just add people from your friends list to your inspirations, just go to your friends page of your profile, and then once this page loads, find the friends you want to add, go to their profile, and then push the plus sign here. Now that you guys know how to add people to your inspirations list, you're ready to go out there and add the top 12 people that inspire you to reach your goals.